Hello guys, Dominic Azuka here. I am about to introduce you to my Figma UI UX course. I have designed websites, apps, and products for some of the notable brands in the world. In this course, I'll teach you everything you need to know to become a Figma UI UX designer. We'll cover everything from the basics of Figma to advanced techniques for user designing interfaces. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use Figma to create wireframes, prototypes, and high-fidelity designs. Also, apply user-centered design principles to your work. Create designs that are both visually appealing and functional. Collaborate with other designers and developers. Why should you enroll for this course? There are many reasons why you should enroll in my Figma UI UX course. Here are just a few. I'll teach you everything you need to know to become a Figma UI UX designer. The course is comprehensive and covers everything from the basics to advanced techniques. The course is also project-based and you get hands-on experience with Figma. The course is affordable and accessible to everyone. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today and start learning Figma UI UX design. To enroll in the course, simply click the link below. I'll see you guys in class.